website. I'm not sure if anyone's had a look at those, but I would recommend in particular Rod Orham's presentation. Other feedback from the conference. It appeared that other councils in the Waikato region were much better represented than us in many cases, and they appeared to have entire tables. We were conspicuous by our absence. We are, after all, part of the Waikato. The most common feedback I got, though, was pretty negative, and it was concerning the governance-to-governance relationships of this council. And that was such a continuing theme that I wish to make a particular point of it. It was overwhelming that the reputation of this council outside this district is particularly poor amongst some of our colleagues. The final thing was concerning the cost, because this was raised at the last council meeting as to whether we should be footing the bill for people attending these events. So I'd just like to confirm that I paid the $62.50 attendance fee myself.
Okay, thank you, and that ends Council's reports, so there is no debate and or resolution permitted on any report, and I would ask the suggested resolution, as on your page there, a mover please. Farewell, Councillor Kosowski. Move somewhere here. Councillor Johnson, seconded. Councillor Downard. All those in favour? Aye. Aye. So carried. I would now move a resolution. Oh, before I do this, I'll try and keep you in the loop as best as I can. A couple of things here. Rob Williams has just emailed round our submission that we will be, Mike and I, and maybe Nick will be coming, whatever, submission that we will be submitting. There, I also, don't run away just yet, Maggie, I have an email here from Mary Smallman. Is it email or text? Email, I think. Mary Smallman. Just so everybody knows. Hi everyone, just setting the agenda for tomorrow's meeting. Gary, would you assume the role of chair for the meeting, or should I get someone else? 2, if we set up a table with a representation of personnel, who would be speaking? Speakers in compliance with the process, speakers in opposition to the process, probation service, TTCB, Maggie Stewart, you're listed as being the speaker. The police is listed here as Senior Sergeant Tony Jurison. Taupo District Council, Safe District, I've been listed, but I have to let her know that I can't, and neither can Louise Upton, but we will have that covering letter. Prisoner reintegration is Maria Hoko, does that sound right? Hoko? TT Safety Community, Mary Smallman. TTCB will be Gary Kepper. SIFS is Ruth Hartley. The left represent the law of the land and the obligatory responsibility to uphold these laws regardless of community opposition. The right posed arguments as a result of community opposition reaction to perceived risk. Please provide input so I can circulate to those concerned with the process. Tell me if I'm going too far. Help. Mary Smallman. So I will circulate that around for you. The other thing I just wanted to tell you that my cousin bro, first cousin, what did I do with it? The Mayor of Tauranga has emailed me the questions that he was asked when he appeared before the Select Committee. And he was asked, what have been your historic rate rises over the last 10 years? The second question he was asked is, what is your level of debt and the reasons for it? Third question was, what new activities are you doing now compared to before 2002 and the introduction of the 4 well-beings? And the fourth question he was asked was, what major capital expenditure is coming up? So he's just giving us a bit of a heads up that if we get asked the same questions, he's giving us a bit of pre-warned, pre-armed. So I have nothing more that I can share with you, I don't think. Yep, cool. So next is I have a resolution to exclude the public. Could I have a mover? Oh, sorry. Yeah, webcam.